We went to Ocean Spray!
Really? What do they do at Ocean Spray?
They make different types of cranberry juice.
Can you show me?
Yeah!
How long does it take for one bottle to be processed?
The process starts with the blending department. We make the juice, and we send it down to the line, and it gets filled in their fillers with a bottle. Then it gets cooled down and then packaged in the packers. I would say from the time the juice gets sent to the line till it makes it all the way down to the palletizer, which is the forklifts that take it out, maybe 40 minutes.
What's your favorite part of the job?
I think it's just the people. Everybody's like really supportive. There's a lot of cross-functional teams and everybody's really nice.
I think because I get to meet a whole lot of people. It's a fun atmosphere when you're around the right people.
I work in the blending department and I like blending the juice. It's a very labor-intensive kind of process that we have up here, but I enjoy the challenge and I like being able to say that I made the juice that's in the bottle.
My job in particular, I do a lot of different things, so it's not the same every single day. It's a lot of process improvement, a lot of identifying gaps, and then filling those gaps.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
It's cool to see how stuff gets made. I'm sure you guys saw it today. It's interesting to see the process. We actually got to go out to the cranberry bog, which is a really cool experience.
It's robots. It's definitely robots.
I mean, what isn't cool about manufacturing? I just think it's cool just to know how stuff kind of gets on the shelves. You see these things kind of every day, and people probably just don't know the why behind the what. And by working here, you know.
I think learning the process is very interesting. From start to finish, seeing the bottles get blown out, and then you fill it at the filler, and then just see it get packaged on the line. I think that's interesting.
The community at Ocean Spray is really good. A lot of people that work here, I'm sure you've met, are really nice. You also get free juice, which is a really cool job benefit that you don't get at a lot of other jobs.
It's very fun. There's a lot of cool machinery, there's a lot of fast-moving parts. There are some dangers, obviously, like there are in most manufacturing facilities, but if everybody works safely and works together, we get the job done.
Thank you for joining us at Ocean Spray!